birthday to my lovey. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
I love you, Mama.
Thank you.
Pretty woman, won't you pardon me? I couldn't help but see, pretty woman.
What's the refresher?
Are you lonely just like me?
Yeah, si Tita Pig po nag-ayos.
Wow! Merry Christmas!
Ito, Merry Christmas!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me!
Where's Tita Pig?
Naliligo si Ayen. May pangalan. Ray!
Wow! Wow, cute. Oh, look at this, Labio. This one.
Ay, oo.
Yeah.
Ray! Cute!
Cute. Wow naman, Tita Faye. Pwede na, pwede na. Pwede na, pwede na. Hindi lang pwede.
Pwede?
Pwede na.
Used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's
Wow naman.
Happy naman. Happy birthday, Yoyale. I love you. Love, CK. Thank you, CK. Thank you.
Sige.
May nakalagay pala dito. Happy birthday, Yoyale. Love you, love, CK and
Clyde. Wow.
Thank you.
Guys, meron kami ni John. Si Daddy ang magkakatay, Dad.
Hello.
used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. Let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you.
Tastes like honey, call me hurricane. Waking up to the sun when I'm out again. I didn't let it shake me when the pieces fell out of place. Unlock the giants, I'm too young for dying. I fight with defiance, all defeated when I'm flying, flying. Fitting when I'm flying, flying. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere. Endless nights, summer's up.
Birthday salute of my lovey. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Here's the star hard time on how the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Beauty Serum Lotion restored my confidence and gave me brighter, glowing skin with no sticky feeling. While I'm getting ready, confidence is key to glow up. But you know what else is? Don't skip this video. I have always struggled with dry, dull, and even skin, which made me insecure whenever I get ready and go out. When I started using the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Beauty Serum Lotion, I witnessed how my skin was able to go from its worst state to an ultimate Gluta-Hya glow up, with skin that looks healthier, and my confidence is restored. Now I love getting ready and attending events where I get to flaunt my glow up. Experience your most beautiful transformation yet with Vaseline Gluta-Hya Beauty Serum Lotion.
1 more year before senior citizen. Happy to be 60 next year.
Pero hindi siya
Next
mukhang
year
60
pa.
guys. Magiging 60 guys.
Ito, guys, ako magkakanan.
Kami with the fam. Hi, Zoe! Say hi. Hi. Hello. Hi, everyone. I'm si Lolo. Beray. Hi.
Happy birthday!
La.
Happy birthday!
Tita Faye.
Happy birthday, Ma!
La.
Hello.
Wow. Say hi.
Hello, guys. Guys, may rashes ako.
Maki. Look here. Hi. Yo, yo. Hi, guys. Hi. Zoe. Ako.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Oh, sweet. You know. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. So cute. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Austin. Thank you, Audrey.
Tastes like honey, call me hurricane. Waking up to the sun when I'm out again. I didn't let it shake me when the pieces fell out of place. Unlock the giants, I'm too young for dying. I fight with defiance, hard to fit in when I'm flying.
Busog ka pa. Hindi ka kita.
Dapat hindi mapapatid. Dapat maano siya, makina. Marami na siya. 2, 3. Hindi napapatid. Happy birthday to you.
Uy! Bingo si Lola! Wow! Dito dyan. Si Lola. Dalawa daw po sila. Si Austin din. Wow! Happy birthday, tita! Thank you!
Sino yung green?
Ako! Si CK yung ano?
Oh, 15. Ay, 15. Sino yung green? O, sabi na lahat yan. Maralo mo!
Tatlo sa akin na.
Pink.
Pink daw, pink.
Ayaw.
Mamaya.
Oh, yellow. Yellow. Sino yung yellow?
Ako!
Oh!
O, 10, 20.
Ito, tatlo sa akin.
May tayo ako eh.
Okay, doon. Nani,
Tapos,
sa akin yung 5 dito.
Okay, go.
Oy!
Oy, Violet. Violet.
Blue. Nasaan na?
Ato sa oran. Aray!
Ako yun. Tataya ka?
Ano kumaya?
Ready!
1, 2, 3, go.
tawag mo, te? Explain mo naman. Kaya tawag
It's a refresher.
Happy birthday, Yoya!
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Lay. Thank you po sa lahat. 1 year na lang po, senior na kayo. Thank you po.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you po sa lahat ng tulong nyo since pinanganak
Yo-yo.
kami hanggang sa lumaki po kami. Hindi po kami nakakalimot doon, Tita. Thank you po. Tapos, wish ko po sa inyo humaba yung buhay niyo, Tita. Lahat naman kami, yun po yung wish namin. Sa mga pamangkin niyo po na tinulungan niyo, thank you po sa lahat. At lagi lang po namin pinagdadasal na humaba po yung buhay niyo.
Matapa ako sa
Humaba pa yun, Tita. Tapos po, lagi lang po kayong mag-enjoy sa buhay, huwag magpa-stress, kasi nakakatanda.
tama.
Thank you po sa lahat, Tita. Tapos, never po namin kinalimutan yung mga tulong po ninyo sa aming lahat. Kaya po until now, binibless kayo ni Lord. And wishing you all the best po, Tita. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Lola Aida! Dapat kung sino yung tapos na ipapasa yung mic kung ano nilang girl yan.
Gusto mo...
Anong gusto mo?
Huwag kayong maingay.
Huwag kayo maingay. Huwag kayo maingay. Gusto ko huwag kayo maingay.
Huwag kayong maingay.
Okay.
Happy birthday, anak. Kung wala ka, paano kami? Hindi ba totoo yun? No. Hahaba pang buhay ko para makaservisyo ako sa mga apo ko. Anak at saka apo. Di ba? Oh.
Sarap ang luto ni Lola.
Food niya.
Siyempre, kahit hindi ko kakain, yung mga apo ko lang kakainin ko. I love you all. Baka iiyak pa ako. I love you.
Okay na nung ipapasa lang. Ate Aida! Ate Jordi! Ate! Ate, wala ka na magagawa.
O sige, happy birthday! Ay ba?
Ano pala ano to, Digo?
Alam niyo,
Di pa mo na lang.
ang pinagpe-pray ko, bigyan ako ng partner na tama. Sobra-sobrang binigay ni Lord. Kasi ang binigay niyang partner sa akin ay laging tama. Happy birthday! I love you.
Baka din natin kape.
Oy, ba?
Ay, meron din pala siyang kodigo. Ay, gusto niya yung happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday po. Tita, ang masasabi ko po sa inyo, napakaswerte po namin dahil kayo po yung naging tita namin. Siguro kung ibabalik po namin yung noon na pag-aalaga sa amin, nakakamiss po yung sobra. Kung ibabalik po namin yung sa inyo. Dahil sa inyo po talaga, sa inyo lang po kami nakakain ng masasarap.
Lumalakas, buffet ka.
Dahil sa inyo po. Kaya maraming salamat po, tita. At always happy po kayo na dapat kahit ano po mangyari na pagsubok sa inyo, lagi happy po kayo at manalangin po kayo lagi. Happy birthday po. Maraming salamat po.
Happy birthday po, Tita Lay.
Naiyak na siya, guys.
Pinag-aral niyo po. Kahit na hindi ko po napapalitan. Sana walang araw, mapalit ko po na. Lalo na rin po sa anak ko po na binibigyan niyo rin po. Pag nagkasakit po yan, sana wala po kami, nandiyan po kami. Malaking tulong po yun, lalo na po nung paglabas ko ng CK. Maraming salamat dito. Sana walang araw, mapalitan ko po lahat. Happy birthday po.
Hi guys!